Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install MySQL in Windows. See, MySQL it is a SQL database, structured query language, and this is like open source. Then simply come up with the Chrome browser. We are going to download the MySQL installer there. Simply type here MySQL download. Once you are going to hit this URL, you will be able to see here like community edition. Then we'll simply go to the MySQL installer and the version I'm using here 8.0.41. Simply click on that and see. Once you are going to click on that, then here you are able to see the version, right? Because we are going to see our latest version as a 8 plus. And the next, like there is available Windows as per your operating system, you can simply download this installer. Then here I'm just going ahead with the first one. Yeah. Then here you not need to worry about to the sign up and sign in. You can simply go ahead with the next option. No thanks. Just start my download. See, it will start with the download, and as per your internet speed, it will goes to download. Then see in my local, it's downloaded successfully. Then simply double click on that, and we need to go to the next. Simply click on yes. I will teach you here everything from scratch actually. Okay. This is not the edited video, this is live video, you can simply consider. Perfect. Then see here next window, you need to select here server only, then go ahead with the next. Then here you can simply click on execute. Yeah, it will take some time. Okay. Then again, here like we need to check here I agree the license terms and conditions, and then again go to the install. Here I am creating the entire playlist for all the full stack software. Okay. Yeah, now simply click on close, and then again click on next. Execute. Now again we are waiting. Perfect. Again click on next, then execute. Yes. Again click on next, next, and again you can simply click on next. Here port we are using port number is 3306. This is the default port number. Click on next. If you want to change port number, you can go ahead and change it. But I will recommend you can go to the default port number. Next, then in this window authentication method, I will recommend you can simply go ahead with the use legacy authentication method. Okay, and then go to the next. And here in my local I am giving root, username also, sorry, password also root, and username also we have root here. Then we have given the password as root and repeat password also root as a lowercase. Here you can give any password, but I will recommend you can go to the root because anyway this is your local system, right? Yeah. Then again click on next, 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 and this is the final step. Simply click on execute. Then once it, like entire step is done here, then you will be able to see the finish button. Yeah, see, click on finish button here, right? Yes. And then again goes to next and just finish. Perfect. Such a way we install here MySQL successfully. Then simply goes to Windows button and type there MySQL. See, this is MySQL command line. Give the password as root. You will be able to see the MySQL is coming there, right? Then here we are just going to say like show databases. It ending with semicolon. Okay. Then whatever database available there you are able to see. But now we are going to create our own database because this is newly created, right? Like newly installed MySQL. And how to create database? Simply type create database and give the database name. I'm just giving here HRM. See, database is created successfully. Once database is created, simply use it. Use HRM. Now, here again, if you are hitting show databases, you will be able to see HRM database there. So the first one is HRM database. Then within HRM database, I want to create the employee table. Then how to create table? Create a table. Give the table name as employee. Here I am passing EMP ID as int. EMP name as varchar. Max size we are giving here 255. Then EMP salary as I am giving here double. And if you want to create the primary key here, then simply create the primary key as well. And primary key is not null, right? Which is the primary key? emp id as a primary key. Then see, this is the query we have created here for create table, right? Then hit enter. Our table also created successfully, right? Then if you are hitting here show tables, then you will be able to see the employee table available there. And again, if you are hitting select start from employee, there is empty data sets, there is nothing, correct? Then we are just going to insert data within employee table. For that I am using insert into employee values, and the values I am passing here 121, name as Sora I am passing here. And again, we are just going to pass here some salary as well. I'm just passing salary as 97,000.96. Again, ending with semicolon. See, and again, if you are hitting here select start from employee, see, there is available data for Sora. Then I don't want to create this session more complex. That's why, like, we just like downloaded MySQL from Chrome browser, and we have installed into local system. And after once installation is done, then we followed at least create database and create the table, and how we are going to insert data into table and how to fetch data, right? In upcoming sessions, I will take care of graphical user interface for MySQL, like SQL and Workbench as well. Then stay tuned with the full stack Java developer. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.